Parramatta BMW Fast Lane service can perform all minor servicing, repairs and recalls in our Fast Lane service workshop in only 90 minutes. Keep an eye out for the motorsport checkered flag and make sure you enter into the Fast Lane driveway. Upon entering the driveway, our Fast Lane controller will spot you and identify your vehicle for your scheduled time slot booking. They'll confirm the work being performed with you before our team on standby starts work on your BMW. While you wait, relax in our state-of-the-art showroom and enjoy complimentary barista-made coffee and connect to our free Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, our factory-trained technicians are underway working on your investment, ensuring it's in peak operating condition. Our technicians undergo intensive product training. We live and breathe the BMW brand, which means we know your vehicle best. All of this in our 90-minute Fast Lane service. We look forward to seeing you soon.